Hi, my name is Daniel Fernandez. I am a marketing professor at Católica Lisbon. I will talk to you about my research recently published in the Journal of Consumer Research with Naila Ordabayeva, professor of marketing at Boston College. The title of the paper is Better or Different: How Political Ideology Shapes Preferences for Differentiation in the Social Hierarchy. Previous research shows that all consumers seek differentiation in choices. As individuals, we all want to differentiate ourselves from others. We show that liberals and conservatives seek differentiation in distinct ways. Liberals seek horizontal differentiation with more unique, different, personalized products, whereas conservatives seek vertical differentiation with more status, luxurious, high-priced products. This is because conservatives and liberals hold opposing beliefs about the legitimacy of the social hierarchy. Conservatives believe that hard work and effort legitimates the hierarchy, and as a result, they differentiate themselves in a hierarchical manner to highlight their superior position and qualities. Liberals believe that everyone works hard, and some attain higher positions because of luck or connections. Therefore, they differentiate themselves in a non-hierarchical manner to highlight their unique traits. We conducted a series of studies to test our predictions. In Study 1, students were asked about their political ideology, and then to choose between two products they could win in a lottery: a coffee mug that said just better and a coffee mug that said just different. We find that conservatives preferred the mug that said just better, whereas liberals preferred the mug that said just different. Another study used well-known brands. 333 adults recruited online were told they could win a $100 gift card from either Ralph Lauren, a brand that represents superiority, or Urban Outfitters, a brand that represents uniqueness. We find that conservatives were more likely to choose a product that signaled superiority, whereas liberals were more likely to choose a product that signaled uniqueness. In another study, we framed the same product attribute, the color red, as either representing vertical or horizontal differentiation. Half of participants were told that red was the color of luxury and superiority, whereas the other half were told that red was the color of originality and uniqueness. Then we measured their interests in a red outfit. We observed that conservatives were more interested in the red outfit when red was framed as superior or luxury, and liberals were more interested in the red outfit when red was framed as unique or original. In a final study, we analyzed Google searches across the United States. These searches reflect the interests of people in a certain geographical area. We found that liberal states are more likely to search for terms associated with horizontal differentiation, such as edgy and urban outfitters, whereas conservative states are more likely to search for terms associated with vertical differentiation, such as Ralph Lauren and luxury. In conclusion, these findings have practical implications for companies. They show that political ideology is central to understand consumers' differentiation in the marketplace. Conservatives and liberals have opposing views about the legitimacy of the social hierarchy. Conservatives think that the hierarchy reflects effort and hard work, whereas liberals think that it reflects chance and opportunity. And that's why someone wearing an orange tennis shoes is more likely to vote for Obama, and someone driving a convertible Ferrari is more likely to vote for Trump. All results hold regardless of whether political ideology and hierarchy beliefs are measured or treated, and extend to actual and hypothetical choice of well-controlled, as well as real-world product stimuli, product evaluation, and online searches. In addition, they hold when potential confounds such as income, age, and social class are controlled for. I invite the listeners to read the paper to check that out.